Hey guys, here is a guide on how to be a cupboard. So let's begin. Before insertion, make sure to sterilize your menstrual cup using the FemiSafe sterilization cup. You can insert your menstrual cup while sitting, standing, squatting, or by keeping one of your legs raised. After insertion, make sure that it is sitting in place properly by tugging on the tail of the menstrual cup. Now let's talk about folds. There are different types of folds that can be used. Commonly used folds are the C-fold, 7-fold, punch-down fold, and the triangle fold. You can choose the one that works best for you. Now it's time to check if that menstrual cup is placed properly. Make sure to check if there are any folds, and if there, then slightly rotate the cup. If the menstrual cup is placed properly, then you're good to go for up to the next 12 hours. Isn't that great? Thanks for watching.